3 ways of frittata fabits presents today. We will use oven-proof pans because after cooking on a stovetop, frittatas will go to the oven to make them even more delicious. I've used 11 inches or 28 centimeters wide oven-proof pans to make 3 small frittatas, and this amount is just right to fit minimum 3, maximum 6 people. For vegan frittata, slice 2 cremini mushrooms, 1 mini green pepper, and 3 florets of broccoli, and set them aside. Slice shallots, minced garlic, and transfer to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and fry onions and garlic on medium heat for 2-3 minutes. Add mushrooms and veggies that you have already sliced. Season with salt and fresh ground pepper. Stir all ingredients, cover the pan with a lid, and let everything cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. While veggies cook, combine dry ingredients for egg replacement mixture, and that is 1 cup of chickpea flour, half a cup of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix dry ingredients and pour in half a cup of warm water and whisk everything together until ingredients are well combined. Add half a cup of full-fat coconut milk and whisk again until the mixture is homogeneous. Before adding the chickpea flour mixture to veggies, set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius to let it preheat. Add the chickpea flour mixture to the fried veggies, stir everything together, and cover the pan with a lid. Cook until the chickpea flour mixture slightly sets. You will see that on the edges. Turn off the heat, take off the lid, and transfer the pan into the oven for another 5 minutes. Or, if you decide to make another frittata like in this video, leave the pan on the stove until the other frittatas are ready to go into the oven. The next frittatas in this video are vegetarian. The order and process of cooking remains the same, which makes it super easy to cook both frittatas at the same time. For the zucchini frittata, slice 1 small red onion, mince a clove of garlic, transfer to a pan and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. For the cauliflower frittata, slice 1 small yellow onion, a clove of garlic, and after adding the same amount of olive oil, set both pans aside. Next stage is prepare veggies. For the cauliflower frittata, dice and slice 1 mini orange pepper, 2-3 florets of cauliflower, and 1 baby turnip, and set the veggies aside. For zucchini frittata, dice half of 1 zucchini, 1 mini green pepper, half of a large red bell pepper, and prepare 1 cup of pre-washed baby spinach, and again set them aside. Since I was cutting and slicing, I've decided to slice 1 fresh tomato to make a simple caprese appetizer, which was a perfect pair to these frittatas. Third stage is to prepare egg mixture. For zucchini frittata, take a bowl and combine 3 large eggs, 1/3 of a cup of half and half cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Then add a cup of shredded Havarti cheese and a few leaves of fresh mint minced. Whisk everything together and set aside. For cauliflower frittata egg mixture, take another bowl and whisk together 3 large eggs, 1/3 of a cup of half and half cream, a pinch of salt and pepper, half a cup of crumbled feta, and a few leaves of fresh basil, carefully minced not to bruise the leaves. Now, when veggies or eggs are prepared, put both pans on the stove and cook both frittatas the same way we did the vegan one, which is frying onions and garlic first, then adding veggies to fry just a bit, and then adding the egg mixture, giving everything a good stir to cover all ingredients with eggs. Once eggs are slightly set, all frittatas can go to the preheated oven and bake for about 5 minutes or until chickpea flour mixture and eggs are completely cooked. Remove all frittatas from the oven and set your frittata bar. Serve hot, keeping in mind simple safety rules as the pans will be hot, and garnish frittatas with minced green onions. This is it for today. Give this video a like if it inspired you and create your own frittata. Choice of ingredients is truly endless. And don't forget to share with those you love.